Jay Cutler's best season so far. Stephen A., your reaction?
I think it's a joke.
Oh, okay.
I mean, it's really, it's unbelievable to me. I mean, the Happy New Year to Jay Cutler. Talk about being lucky. Listen, I'm not trying to imply that this man doesn't deserve to be a quarterback for the Chicago Bears, that he does not deserve a new contract. But when I hear 7 years, I'm blown away. I truly am. You've been the starting quarterback for the Bears for 5 years. You have one playoff appearance, okay? The conference championship game that the Chicago Bears lost, Jay Cutler was riding a bicycle while somebody else was throwing the football, okay? I'm just looking at it from the standpoint that I know you can play. I know he's not a scrub, Skip. And I understand that he has all the requisite skills. I also know how Brandon Marshall feels about him. I'm not knocking that by any stretch of the imagination. Their chemistry is to be respected, if not envied. I understand Alshon Jeffrey has emerged into a big-time receiver. You've got all the requisite weapons imaginable, okay? Yet, Josh McCown was an individual that you yourself, Skip, was talking about should have been left in because of the way that he was flowing, even though Jay Cutler was supposed to be the franchise quarterback of the future. Again, I don't understand. I don't know the particulars. So I understand, again, you know, you sign him to a 7-year deal, but there might be an out after 3, or you can cut him, or you can restructure his deal. So I'm not knocking it from that perspective, nor am I saying that he doesn't deserve to be the quarterback. But when you sit there and just stick out the news like he's re-signed to a 7-year deal and how this was a top priority and all of this other stuff, what it makes me think is, no wonder you're at home watching the playoffs like the rest of us, because this is the standard that you have. It's like you don't even let them wait. You don't even let them sweat. You don't even let them do anything, because you can miss the playoffs in 4 or 5 seasons, all right, and be completely non-existent, Tony Romo style, come postseason time. But it doesn't matter, because you know what? We like you. So here's your new contract. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. This is the standard these organizations have, and it just blows me away sometimes. It just blows me away.